If you love home-cooked meals but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen, this Crock-Pot 7-Quart manual slow cooker might be your new best friend. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's one of those appliances that just makes life easier, especially on busy days. It's super simple. Toss in your ingredients in the morning, choose low or high heat, and by dinner time, you've got a warm, perfectly cooked meal waiting for you. The 7-quart size is generous, big enough for a 6-pound roast or a meal for about 8 people. Perfect for families, meal prepping, or even hosting a small get-together. What I really like is how consistent the cooking results are. It heats evenly, the stainless steel exterior feels sturdy, and the removable stoneware pot looks good enough to serve straight from the table. Cleanup is easy too. Both the stoneware and lid are dishwasher-safe. There's no fancy digital display here, just a manual dial with off, low, high, and warm settings. But that simplicity is kind of the charm. There's less that can break, and you don't have to overthink it. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the glass lid doesn't lock in place, so you need to be a little careful when transporting it. And since it's manual, you'll need to switch it off yourself. There's no auto shut-off timer. Overall, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's affordable, durable, and does exactly what it promises. No fuss, no gimmicks, just delicious slow-cooked meals every time. If you're looking for a dependable slow cooker that's easy to use and big enough for the whole family, definitely check this one out. You'll find the link down in the description.